I feel lost. Like I'm watching my life pass by and I'm not doing anything about it. What am I even doing with my life? Is this really how I want my life to be? I'm ambitious, but I'm lazy. I want everything, but I find it so hard to work on it. Lately, I've been stuck. Just doing the bare minimum, bed rotting, feeling unmotivated. My health has gotten worse and I don't feel good at all. I lack discipline. Every time I tell myself I'll start tomorrow, I'll start on Monday, next month will be different, and nothing really happens. Also, everything I planned for January, it didn't happen. And now it's already February. How time passes so fast. The worst part, I have a quote on my wall that says, "There's no better time than now." So, is now the time? I've been feeling lost, like I'm failing. Like I don't even know if I'm on the right path. But I really don't want to feel like this anymore. I want to change. I need to change. So today, I'm resetting my life, building the life I actually want. Step by step, starting with my health, my work, and my hobbies. So let's start with this journey. Okay, so I have listed everything I have to do, everything I have to improve in terms of health, work and studies, and hobbies. So let's start out with health. I want to exercise 6 times a week, walk at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day if possible. This will be more easy when I start college since I will be coming back home walking. Another thing I want to do is to drink 2 liters to 2.5 liters of water. I already am doing this. I usually drink 2 liters or 2.2. Then I also want to cut sugar and eat fruits instead. Lately, I've been craving so much sugar, but to be able to stay healthy, I really need to stop eating sugar. Then also eat balanced meals and not like only carbohydrates or only protein. I want something that has everything. Then I also want to sleep between 7 to 8 hours and wake up early. In my case, waking up early would be like between 6 to 8 a.m. After that, it's already too late. And before that, it's too early. So, like, my plan is to wake up between 6 to 8. I think that's a reasonable time to wake up. Then I also want to start doing meditation, also less screen time. In this, I mean like less screen time of like Instagram, TikTok, and scrolling. Because my work is usually on the computer and on the phone. I have to edit content, record, do some designs. All of it is in the computer. Then I also want to start reading books again. I have stopped after like starting vacations, I think. So I do want to start again, and my goal this year is to read at least 8 books. In relation to skincare, my skin has been so but so dry lately, so I want to start taking care of it somehow. I will first of all try using rice water every single day at night. Then for my body, I will use coconut oil, and then for my hair I also want to do some hair care, and I will be using mustard oil probably 1 or 2 hours before washing my hair. That is all for health. Then for my work and studies, I really want to finish my portfolio, my design portfolio, and actually use it to get more clients, and also post on Behance all the works I did. Then for content creation, I really want to post consistently on YouTube. I have planned to do 3 times a week for the first like 3 4 months, and then start doing 2 times a week, which will be probably after June, July. Then I also want to start posting on Instagram and TikTok, I really have to like plan everything on what will be my style, what I want to post, what is actually trending. Since I find it more difficult to post on Instagram and TikTok rather than YouTube. I don't know why, but I feel like I like more longer form content. Then I also need to job hunt. I've been job hunting since last year and I haven't found a job yet, but I do want to focus more on that and also send applications for jobs in agencies. Then also for clients, I want to start freelancing in Fiverr or Upwork, or if I find any website. I did try it, but I didn't really do something about it. Like I just posted it and just leave it there, and at the end I didn't get any clients. I do want to also focus on that. And last, I want to design more. I only design when I get client work, which is not good. So I want to practice more, improve my skills, and actually make like personal projects, and that could also help for my portfolio. Then we have our hobbies area. First of all, I want to start language learning again, especially Korean. I want to get to advanced Korean and hopefully next year do the topic exam, which is a dream, but I do have to like study a lot for this. Other languages that I want to start this year is writing in Hindi. I know how to speak in Hindi and I understand fully Hindi. The thing is, I don't know how to write Hindi. Then I want to start learning Chinese, Japanese, and Arabic. Those are the three I want to focus after Korean. Then I also want to improve my dancing skills. Last year, I started going to some classes here in Buenos Aires. I will be joining more classes. These are like separate classes, you have to pay for each class. So my plan is to actually dance every single day if I can, at least 20 to 30 minutes. Then this is not really a hobby, it's just a goal that I have. I want to get the driver's license in the first quarter of the year. I have to do a course of the written exam, then do the written exam and then do the practical exam. Then another thing I want to learn in terms of graphic design is Blender, which is a 3D program. Figma, I think Figma is more of a website thing. I really do want to learn it because it seems interesting. And then I also want to learn After Effects. Those are the three main things I want to learn, which seem to be interesting and more on demand I see on jobs. Then, as in a goal for the whole year, I have two courses I want to try out. One is the pottery course, and second is a bartender course. Like making cocktails have been an interest of me since a long time, and I thought, why not do a bartender course this year? Since this year, my main goal is to learn new things and try new things and be comfortable with the uncomfortable. And also, lastly, this is not really a hobby I want to try, but actually do less. I've been playing video games a lot this month, like January and February, and I want to try to play less. So that's all for the things I want to do, which are quite a lot, but I will be documenting every single thing in this journey and hoping to achieve my goals. But right now, I will be planning my exercise routines and my meal plan for the week and learn about nutrition because I don't really know much about it and I just eat anything I like and mix it with anything. I really want to focus on having a balanced meal. So I will be focusing on that right now. Okay, so I just came back from walking my dog and I have already planned everything for this journey. Well, at least for the next week, I have things planned out. I planned my exercise routine for every week. Each day will be different. Then for my meal plan, I have decided to be a balanced meal, like 30% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% vegetables. Then I also planned out my routine. I have approx 6 hours of deep work and 1 hour of language learning. And I will wake up at 7 and exercise in the morning. This routine will be only for summer vacations. It might change in winter and when I start college, because in winter I will not be going to walk my dog at night. I will be going at like after lunch. But apart from that, I'm actually excited to start this. Tomorrow will be the first day. It will be Monday, the 10th of February. Hoping to at least be consistent for 30 days because after 30 days, these habits will be more used to my life. But yeah, if you want to see how my journey goes, this will be turned into a series. This is episode 1. So if you want to follow my journey, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be posting different improvements and different episodes each week. So be tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you can also join this journey with me if you're feeling lost and just stuck in general. I hope everything goes well for you and for everyone.